Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
And I didn't come over to see Amebana Yato Aso Pacho. Lawyer Kwame Adolfo Ewo Ahoman so cancer maje. Na pomoe.
Eho ye pa na moswe.
Nyankopon adom boko. Eja no pay de ye ba school kaka ba yentua school fees eno. We pro bono ni bia yentua school fees bia wase. Yes. Lawyer me pache wo say obi the petition ba say yenyi commissioner na electoral commission yenyi commissioner no ana bia ne commissioners ni bia mfiri ho a emra na kan san wo ho.
Medium, I'm in charge, for I don't have for. Sir, President, a second petition, yeah, let's involve any of the commissioners, Electoral Commission, Charge, NCC, and the rest. About the SOI, let's say, or very farmer, Chief Justice. And this also includes the special prosecutor. A puppet on the also say in Saka petition, Chief Justice. This is for you. Now President Rina Juma. And it's a President Rina Juma, Chief Justice in Saka. Chief Justice Bishop. No one decided whether there is maybe a kind of prima facie case. That's a prima facie case, I just say. We share, yeah, which is as a word here. And he said, what me established, he said there's a case to answer. I'm just an case to answer, yeah. And in that, as well, set up a committee. Now, committee, you were components of the committee. Constitution is as some consistency, 3 justices of the Superior Court. The kind of justice of the Superior Court from High Court to the Supreme Court, from the 3 judges of the Superior Court. Now, Wasa are appointing 2 other persons are members of the Council of State, are parliamentarians, are almost lawyers. Na Omanka committee. And the committee never tenacity. Now you will be a friend natural justice and procedural fairness. And there's a friend right to hearing. And to Council receive petition. Now, what is your response? Normally, they demand a response in writing. And the demand in advance. Now, so a comment. And the committee will make a determination whether grounds amount to incompetence and stated misbehavior. They say, modern mono and sweaty, won't send fata, sets our person, behold. And it's almost established via normal true recommendation back. And you group back to the president. I want that the president will have to act on the recommendation. In the procedure.
Okay, nti first of all, say petition be do president who say only electoral commission no free wa. Ono ankasa ntimi fa ne timu nya hwe wo ho. Je say obo akire de ma sa committee no.
Correct. We need to me say obe making determination whether it has been established.
Okay. Nti am fa ne say committee no so e de o ma no yie bre president no. No no omo nya adwene.
There's nothing the president can do. The president must act on the recommendations made by the committee. The committee, and the president paid.
Okay. Now, Chief Justice in Zoe.
Chief Justice procedure a little different. The difference is, I don't know, the president Saka, as a president on his own, make a determination whether there is a case. Now, if there is a case, so or no president, in consultation with the Council of State, and someone appointed a committee. And some appointed committee must consist 2 justices of the Supreme Court. And they said, the first Chief Justice will be making allegation against her, they will select 2 Supreme Court, usually senior judges. Now, one of them will be the chairman or chairperson. And then the president will appoint 3 additional persons. Members of the Council of State and our parliament, or lawyers. They intentionally exclude lawyers because it's like jury work. Jury work, we are a lawyer, you are not allowed to serve in the jury because they want to be judged by your peers. And the ordinary man on the street, the peers are not lawyers. They are normally lay people. No more deciding whether, in their opinion, they see one ear is working. They see in their eyes as coming. Into the composition I'm describing. So the 2 Superior Court judges, usually Supreme Court judges, back on the chair. Now they are appointing 3 other persons who are not lawyers, who are not members of parliament, who are not members of Council of State. It's one of the better nothing. No more queen, and now mama right to be heard. And you have all the access to the natural justice principle. Because the natural justice is key. And when you're right to be heard, now we are. Then their recommendation will go back to the president, and the president will have to act on it.
Okay, and my auntie Hanasi, and also no. In the case of the Chief Justice, and a petition will be do President Hoa and so Betty committees are
President Betty Committee. Usually, in the case of the others, it will refer to the Chief Justice. That's quite near about the Chief Justice himself or herself or their President will on the Betty Committee. Now, composition is what is described or prescribed in the Constitution.
Okay. Now, no constitution no actually be found say oti committee no a. Ese so me enyire hunu say wate sa committee we na omo na ehwehwe asem we mu wa ma omo ebre bi so omo fa emetu nanim. Ese oye sa committee no public ana.
Well, you see, the constitution is silent, but normally no. So you see, even in petitions like this, the content is already out before the president gets it. Procedure you're wrong.
Peace FM.
You are not supposed to see the complaint until the person the allegation is about. When your opportunity to be heard and respond to them. But unfortunately, too often they say, you do a petition near leaky. Now you started even before I answer the allegation is about when you have opportunity. That in itself is unfair. Procedure and say President Saka and one thing refer the Chief Justice now about no committee. The president can announce to say we'll receive a petition about the president without necessarily going into the content of what the petition is about. I don't know if you say who follow the America.
It's your lawyer.
But the president can announce, so look, I have received the petition and it's about the Chief Justice, and I have set up a committee and we investigation. We all have to wait for the outcome without necessarily going into what is contained in the petition. Because the moment you make it available, then people such as you, me, will be expressing an opinion even before the person has got an opportunity to respond. So that process is wrong.
Okay. As I remember, they say a petition, as they say, Urabia, your friend, Ofosu Apia Daniel, our hohoi, Framante Modiaba, Electoral Commission, or say petition for the removal of Mrs. Jane Adukwe Mensah, Dr. Eric Bossman Asari, Mr. Samuel Tete, and Dr. Peter Apia Henehono. As a Norman Penny, a boy, Chief Justice, not Chief Justice with him. Na se owie no wa no yebia naja wabo akire dia bre mampani aka che ne se ye hwehwe mu no sei ne ehunu ye nyesa
pepepe
Okay.
The president doesn't have any opportunity to make a determination. I mean, country. When you find so because allegation, and some of the actual person, it will not so. I don't say it so. Yes, we are. Let's say a sort of a chief justice. A chief justice Naka or no be making determination whether to go to the next step or committee or not.
Councillor no pay peace of medawase. Lawyer Kwame Adofo ena yene no etwetwe nkomo efa sa petition ya e de abatia isi mpanifo no ehon no.
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean